HVAC people got a no cooling car here. Hey, look here. It's about, what's that, 78 degrees. About 80 degrees out here today. We're getting, got about 4 no cooling calls. What's going on? Last one just diagnosed a bad compressor, which I think this one could be. No cooling call. Refrigerant, electrical, user error. What's up? Oh man, got more dogs.
Did you ring the doorbell?
No, just not.
Okay, I was gonna say I can't.
Okay.
I was on the phone with my daughter running her mouth. How you doing?
I'm good, I'm good.
Okay, what you need to go to the back or
What's
you
going
need
on?
to?
No cooling?
It's no heat, no AC.
No AC? Okay. So the thermostat,
Uh-huh.
you get the attic and then on
Thermostat is up.
It's upstairs?
Upstairs.
Okay. Oh.
And it's on, but it's just blowing hot air.
Okay.
It's like it won't click. It won't click off and on.
Okay. Okay. When you,
The filter is changed.
okay.
And it's been like that now a couple of days.
Okay. That's what you noticed?
Mm-hmm.
All right. And that's the filter.
Yeah.
You got 65, it's 77 degrees.
It's been hot in here.
Okay.
And it's shocking because right before it got cold, it was working. So,
Okay.
I mean, I don't know what happened.
All right, we'll figure it out.
Okay.
Okay. 65.
I just feel like I need feel like that's an old time thermostat. A new thermostat and everything.
Uh-huh. So you want a nest on the
That would be nice. That would be nice. I know they don't want to pay for this.
Yeah, I don't want to pay for it, but if you ever want me to throw it in there, I can do it for you. You just have to pay for it on top of it.
I'd rather pay for it.
Because I see,
They get enough.
what about
rent.
they put the doorbells in there or you did?
Huh?
The doorbells, you did that or they
You
did?
know they're not going to do that.
Yeah,
I did.
yeah. That's what I say, so even with the doorbell though, yeah. Those smart
Oh,
thermostats.
yeah, they connect
Yeah,
to it.
connect to it. They can do
I've been
everything.
in this house since 2015.
That's-
They're not going to do that.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All right, folks. Let's see what we got here. Uh-oh, sound like I hear refrigerant.
Hey.
Trying to see, do I hear refrigerant move? Sound like I hear refrigerant. Let's see. Kind of hard to tell. Nickel line warm. Oh, there we got no compressor. That's some fans out here up there. I'm gonna go outside on the side of the house.
Okay.
All right. All right. Let's see if we hear compressor here. No, we ain't got nothing going on out here, folks. Nothing going on out here. clean that coil. So, oh, that's hot. That is hot. Let me show y'all how hot that is. I'm gonna go get my thermal imaging camera. We can look at it through there. That's like hot. All right, like I said, I'm telling you now. If I had to choose any tool, any one tool, it'd be this thermal imaging camera right here. I'm talking about over a drill, over a meter. Let me take this plastic off. Over a meter, over gauges. So that, well, you can see how, I don't know how well this gonna show up in the camera. I can take a picture of it, maybe do a screenshot or something, but that compressor got a blanket on it though. But that's like a hot though, you see. That's like a hot. It says over 200 degrees. So we'll see if we got like a bad cap or bad motor or something. I don't even hear it trying to start. That core dirty. That old capacitor look bulky right there, you can see. See how bulky it is? Might just be a bad cap. Let's see here. Let's see here. Check voltage, make sure we got voltage real quick. What we got here? 244. 244. All right. 122. All right, so I'm gonna kill the power. Air conditioner. Let's say dryer. This should be air conditioner right here. All right. All right. Double check, make sure we good. That's 0. 0. 0. All right. Discharge this cap. Pretty bulky though. My stool. Hey, for the old stool come in handy though. Up front in person. Let's go. Let's see. Like I say, I was gonna say I can kind of tell that this capacitor bad. See how bulky it is. Let me see though. Let's get that comment right there. 0 on that fan, 0. All right, let's just go ahead and check that cap also. I mean the compressor. Come on. Yep, the cap dead as a donut. Alright. Let's see what it's rated for. $50 by 5. $50 by 5. $50 by 5. Let's see, we got one in the truck. Alright, so I only have a 45 by 5, but that should be all good in the hood. You know what I'm saying? Should be all good in the hood, Chuck. I got a 5, I could jump her and make it a 50, but it'd be alright. It'd be alright. So we go check this. Come see from 44 by 5. Check that fan. 4.9. I'm gonna get these folks some cooling. Alright, so this right here gonna go on my 3 with the compressor here. It's the compressor. Alright, get our fan. Got 2 terminal. Alright. Rest of it coming. Alright. Coming from the compressor. Fan. This way it comes from the contact. Would like to hit that coil and cool that fan. Hope it ain't going off on like internal overload. But I can hit that coil while I'm waiting on that. Cause that coil, you can see, folks, it's pretty bad. Pretty bad. Cool that down a little bit. And in that fan. So you just cool it down. Take a sample. Big food now already. December the 16th, folks. 80 degrees out here today. We got no cooling calls all year long. Good year. Oh, we're gonna hit the cord a little bit now. It ain't the time for maintenance right now. You know what I'm saying? Should have been got that done. This is property manager stuff. Hey, we just make more money, to be honest with you, on breakdown. I'm gonna fire it up. There we go. I'm gonna fire it up. I'm gonna get my gauges real quick. Let it run for a second. Put the water hose back on. All right, so like I say, ambient temperature, probably about 80 degrees, 147 over 250, eval 50, condenser 83. They're gonna be good. It's kind of warm in the house. Need to let it run about 5 minutes. Oh shoot, that's R30, 32. I need to put that on 410A. Now you can see R32 and 410A very similar as far as your temperatures. Pressure is pressure, but you know, the EV and the CO, indoor and outdoor, or the temperature is gonna be very similar, 410A and R32. All right, R32 is a straight blend. 410A is a mixture. So you gotta charge 410A as a liquid, and you can charge R32 either or. All right, but we're looking good, man. I'm gonna have to turn this power back off and see if I can close this door. Like my heart start hung up on me. All right. All right, got that one back up and running. Got the door secured. That was cap and go. All right, HVAC people, we out.